This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will discuss module 6 of Introduction to C Programming Language, and the topic we're going to discuss today is called Constants and Variables in C Programming Language. So let's start. Each language has a basic set of alphabets like character set that are combined in an allowable manner to form words, and then these words can be used to form sentences. Similarly, in C programming language, we have a character set that includes number 1, alphabets, which includes capital A, B, and up to Y and Z, and small a, small b, up to small y and z. Likewise, number 2, we have digits starting from 0 till 9. Since we as a human we use decimal number system, contains 10 numbers starting from 0 till 9, and then special symbols which contain special characters like available on the keyboard, like tilde sign, symbol, sign exclamation, at the rate, hashtag, percentage symbol, ampersand, asterisk, parenthesis, dash, minus, plus, equal to, pipe symbol, \, /, column bracket, curly braces, column bracket, double quotes, apostrophe, comma, and then greater than equal to symbol, full stop, semicolon, colon, question mark. These are all actually called special characters, so we don't need to type the comma again and again, because comma is also considered as a special symbol, special character. So actually these alphabets, digits, and special symbols, when combined in an allowable manner, form constants, variables, and keywords, also known as reserved words. So now we discuss the concept of constants and variables. So between constants and from constants and variables, we will first discuss the constants, what they are. So let's start. Constants are the values that cannot be changed by a program. For example, 5, 75.7, 1500, etc. In C language, primarily we have 3 types of constants. Number 1, integer constants. So these are the values without a decimal point. For example, 7, 1, 2, 5, 6, 3, 0, 1, 0, 0. 4 times 5, 5 times 5, minus 54, minus 2, 3, 4, 9, etc. They can be positive or negative. If the value is not preceded by a sign, it is considered as positive. Next type of constant is real constants. And these are the values including decimal point. For example, 3.14, 15.3334 places, decimal places, 75.0, minus 1575.76, minus 7941.2345, etc. They can also be positive or negative. Now we'll discuss the last constant type, which is called the corrector constant. Any single small case letter, uppercase letter, digit, punctuation, mark, special symbol enclosed within apostrophe single quotes, is considered a character constant. For example, if we type 5 enclosed in single quotes and then 7 enclosed in single quotes, or we call it apostrophe, and then A closed in single small a closed in apostrophe, and then capital X closed in apostrophe, sign of exclamation closed in apostrophe, and then comma if enclosed in apostrophe is also considered as a character constant. Or we can type a semicolon, etc. They are all considered as a character constant. So I'm going to type important tip, which is very important to note about the character constant. That is, a digit used as a character constant, that is 9 enclosed in apostrophe, is different from a digit used as an integer constant, that is 9. We can add 2 integer constant to get the obvious mathematical value, or you can call result. For example, 9 plus 8 equal to 17, but we cannot add a character constant to another character constant to get the obvious mathematical result. For example, if you type 9 enclosed in single quote apostrophe, which is considered as a character constant, not integer constant, and then we add it with 8 enclosed in single quote, or we can call it as apostrophe, then it will never be equal to 17. After discussing all the constant types and in learning an important tip, now we will perform an activity like we will identify some of the type of constants. Like we will identify the type of constant for each of the following values. Now first we will type 12 and then 13 and then closed in apostrophe, asterisk symbol, and then minus 21, and then 32.768, and then we will type a small a enclosed in apostrophe, and then minus 12.3, and then 41, and then 40.0, and in the end / enclosed and apostrophe single quotes. So since we have discussed that the digits, whether it's a sign or unsigned, is considered as an integer constant. Since there is no symbol, so it is considered as a positive integer constant. And now if you can see, this is the value 13 without any symbol, any sign, so it is considered as a positive integer constant. Now this asterisk is a special symbol enclosed in single quotes, double apostrophe, so it is considered as a character constant. Here you can see 21 with a sign minus, so it is considered as a negative integer constant. Here you can see 32.768, so this is considered as a real constant because it has a decimal point. Now you can see a small a enclosed in single quote is considered as character constant. Here you can see minus 12.3, it is considered as signed integer real constant because it has a decimal part and it is a negative real constant. Here you can see 41 integer constant, positive integer constant. Here you can see again a decimal point, so it is considered as a real constant. Here you can see // closed in single quote apostrophe. Now this is considered as a character constant. So that's all, viewers. Thanks for watching. In our next video we will discuss about variables, how they are identified and used in, and their types, and how they are used in C programming language. That's all. Thanks for watching.